Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Nola Viva, and in this video I'm just going to be sharing with you guys how I'm trying to repair my dry, damaged hair from coloring it, and then also how I'm going to make it the color more vibrant with just conditioner. So first I start out by sectioning off my hair, and then I'm going to use this Olaplex. Now this is going to be my second time using this. I picked it up because a lot of people seem to be raving about the Olaplex brand and how it like repairs their hair when it's like super damaged. So this stuff is kind of expensive, and it's only a little bit in here. Like, this is, like I said, my second time using it, and I'm done with the entire bottle. But basically you just have to go ahead and put it on your hair. Start out with dry hair before shampooing, and then you just go ahead and work on your hair and get it damp. You're not supposed to get it drenched. So basically I'm just making sure I separate my hair and get it on all of my hair. It was kind of hard to pour it out directly on my hair. And as you can see right here, my hair is just like very dry, so I just kind of want to show a close-up of what my hair is looking like from the coloring, because I end up bleaching it, not realizing that I was doing bleach. I tried to lighten my hair from black to, red without coloring it, which you can do, but you can't start from a box dye black on your hair. You have to your hair has to naturally be black, and then you can use like the L'Oreal high color products to go to red without bleaching it, but in a harsh way, I'll say. So anyways, I accidentally bleached my hair, so basically I'm trying now to go through the process of repairing it. I followed a YouTube video of another girl who literally said that it just wasn't bleach, and yeah, I ended up bleaching my hair. But anyways, so yeah, I'm going through, and I poured this in a bottle because, like I said, it was just kind of hard to pour out in my hand. I felt like I was just losing product, but it ended up like clogging up my my spray bottle at times, and then also like I was coughing because I guess whatever is in this product is pretty strong. So yeah, I don't really recommend necessarily putting it in the bottle. I'm following that up with this Olaplex hair perfector. Now this it feels like conditioner. You again are supposed to use this like 10 minutes or so after putting on the Olaplex intensive bond building hair treatment, and this is supposed to be used before shampooing. So I basically just followed it up with this, and I like the way this feels. Like I said, it feels like conditioner. But yeah, you just leave this on, and you can actually use this for 2 to 3 times a week. But yeah, you just leave this on for about 10 minutes, and then you can go ahead and rinse it out. Now I'm going in with this Redken Shampoo. There's no special reason as to why I'm using this. It's just that I had it on hand. So it does have a great lather on it, I will say that, but I'm not really crazy necessarily about it. I didn't feel like any major softness after using this, so I don't feel like y'all need to go run out and buy this product. I don't feel like it's a product that I'm personally going to rave over. Now this is the start of the show. This is the ReColor color conditioner. So basically this works awesome, you guys. Like, you literally just pour it in your hand while your hair is damp, and then just go ahead and rub it on your hair, and it's basically depositing color into your hair while conditioning it. Now this only takes literally like 3 to 20 minutes to go ahead and process. So you can literally do this while you're in the shower. Now I don't recommend doing this while you're in the shower because it can stain your shower floors. However, it does come up, like while I was in my bathroom here, I did get it on my countertop, and it did stain it, and I have like light colored marble countertops. So I would say if that happens, just get some bleach and you'll be fine. It comes right up. It looks like nothing ever happened. So this, what I'm using right here, is a 3-sided mirror from Amazon. And basically all the products that I'm talking about, they'll be linked down below. So don't worry, you guys, it's going to be in the description. So just go there, and I'll also pin a comment so you guys can find it there as well. But this is so helpful in being able to see the back of your head. So I just wanted to make sure I was like getting in between my hair, because my hair is very thick. So it's really good to just make sure I separate and get all of the product on my hair. But that thing is really easy to store. Like, as you can see, it was also very much adjustable, and I just really love that mirror. It's so helpful. But now I'm just going ahead and rinsing it out. I think I personally left it in for like 15 minutes because just with filming everything and trying to set up from here to there, like, it just took a lot more time. But like I said, it's 3 to 20 minutes is how long you can leave it on for. So this is my results, you guys. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. Super easy. And my hair, it feels okay. Like, it doesn't feel like extremely soft or anything from using the Olaplex. So I mean, it's my second time using it, so perhaps I need to just continuously use it, but I'm not crazy about it. I don't even know if I want to buy another bottle with how expensive this stuff is. But now I'm just gonna go in with this hairdo by Oyen, which is a black-owned business. Y'all know I love to shout out some black-owned businesses when I can. But these products are also on Amazon, so you can easily get it in like 1 to 2 days, which I love the convenience. But yeah, this is a really good moisturizer to put on. So I just put that on first, and then I'm gonna do actual all natural shea butter. I put that on my hair, and this is my hair the next day. It did feel a lot better, a lot more moisturized, I'll say. So the products that I'm going to be using is this gummy gel, and then a really big, like a wide scrunchie. That's what I call them, scrunchies. So I just literally go ahead and work my hair up into a puff. And then I like to leave out the little side pieces and a little piece on the back. And then I go ahead and just pull out some of my baby edges. Now this gel, you guys, this gel is absolutely amazing. I've never experienced a gel like this. And I've used Eco Styler, I've used Edge Booster, I've used different gels. And one thing I can say about this gel is it literally like feels so, it's so hard to explain because it's like very thin, but yet creamy. And the main thing that makes it super unique is the fact that it will curl up your hair and it will not feel crunchy. It will not look crunchy. Like, it's crazy. I've never experienced a gel like this. So this has got to be my number one top favorite gel when it comes to actually like curling the ends of my hair. So I think you guys definitely should try this for like your wash and goes, and like I said, just anytime you want to do a curly look and you don't want a crunchy hair, crunchy curls afterwards, definitely try that out. I'm going to use this little elastic band from Amazon to, lay my edges as well. So this is my microfiber towel afterwards. The color does come out a little bit. You will notice that it does rub off, especially while your hair is wet on things. I'm just using my blow dryer to go ahead and dry my hair in the middle and then also extend the curls. Now this is another black-owned business. It's Classy Hair, and this is their hair glaze. And this is Applebee's Gloss Therapy Polisher Spray. So this is just going to give my hair some more shine. The reason I'm showing you guys too is because in case the Classy Hair one is not in stock anymore, you can also use the Applebee's brand as well, because they both work really good. The Applebee's a little bit more thinner, and I feel like it will not last as long. And then the hair glaze one by Classy Hair, that one is very much thick. I do feel like that one will last longer, and it has a really nice scent as well. So now I'm just going through with my fingers to go ahead and poof it out because I don't have my my pick. So this is what it looked like when I was all said and done. Now as far as the conditioner goes, it does last a while. You don't have to keep using it. It does say you can use it like once a week to maintain the color. But just keep in mind, every time you wash or rinse your hair, the color is going to fade some. It won't fade completely back to what it was prior, but it is going to fade. So just keep that in mind. But I think think it's amazing with how easy it is to just touch up. I think it's definitely a must-have, and they definitely have tons of colors, so check the description for the link, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more if you would like, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.